So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Coding World. And guys, what do you think about this game which I have made just now? And guess what? I am here to teach you how to make a game like this. So without wasting any time, let's get started. For this, first we'll go in File and create a new project. It is creating a new project, and now it will create a brand new project like this. So first of all, you will have to delete the sprite 1 and you will have to paint another sprite. You'll have to just make it a bit bigger, and then you'll have to select this rectangle. You'll have to set the outline to none, and in the fill you will have to make the brightness to 0. Now it will be a very dark black color. So now you will have to mark a 6 by 6 square, and then you will have to draw a rectangle just like this. Yes. So now after this you will have to go in the line and you will have to set the outline to maybe 20 or something. Yeah, 20. And in the outline you will have to set the brightness to 100 and saturation to 0. Now you will have to draw some type of eyes or something, or just wait a minute, these 20 size is a bit bigger to it. We will keep 10. Yeah, 10, and we will just first delete this one. Okay, 10. Now we will do it like this, and we will make two eyes like this. I will just copy this one and paste this one so that there will be no variation in the size of the eyes. And now our character is a bit ready. So now first we'll set the size to 300 or something, maybe. Yeah, 300. And now we will put it in the position just like where I am putting it. Yeah, over here. Now you will have to make another sprite which would be also a rectangle, and in the fill you will have to select the brightness to 35 and the saturation should be 0. Color can be anything, and then just draw a rectangle on the downer side or the bottom side of the screen, and we will just make its outside none. Okay, and now we will take it a bit down in here, and we will take our character a bit up. Yeah, now we will make another sprite which would be like a line, and its outline would be same like 35, and the brightness, yeah, 35, saturation should be 0, and the color can be anything. Now make some sort of a triangle in this, like this, a triangle, yeah, like this. Now in the fill the same color which would be 35, 0 and 0. Now it would be a triangle like this. Now set its size to maybe 300 or something. Not 300, set its size to 275. Yeah, 275. And put it over here. Yeah, over here. So now we will give a basic coding to our sprite 1, which is the character, and we will say that when flag is clicked, forever, if the key space is pressed, go in controls, take the repeat block, set it to 7, go in motion and put change y by 10 over here, duplicate it and set the change y by 10 to set the change y by minus 10. And now put it over here. And in the between put wait 0.01 seconds. So now whenever I will click the space, it is jumping a bit. So instead of 7 we will say 10 and 10 over here too. Yeah, now it's a bit good, but not 10 also. We will put 15 maybe. Yeah, put 15. Yeah, now it's okay. And yeah, this was the basic programming. I will meet you in the next part of this video game series, basic game series. And the next part will come soon. Till then, take care. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.